Yes. Today, let's talk about oil-free air compressors in the textile industry. The textile industry is a vast sector that demands a substantial amount of energy to maintain smooth production. One crucial component in textile production is compressed air, which power the machinery and equipment used in spinning, weaving, and dyeing processes. Traditional compressors use oil to lubricate and cool the moving parts. However, with the introduction of oil-free air compressors, textile manufacturers can enjoy several benefits, such as improved air quality, reduced maintenance cost, and increased energy efficiency. Oil-free air compressors are engineered to generate high-quality, dry, and clean air without the use of oil or any other lubricant. One of the most significant advantages of these compressors is their ability to eliminate oil contamination, which can cause damage to textile products and the machines. Oil-free air compressors are gaining popularity in the textile industry because they can preserve product quality and prolong the lifespan of machinery. Another significant advantage of oil-free air compressors is their energy efficiency. They consume less power compared to those that use oil. The textile industry can benefit from use oil-free compressors such as they consume less energy, thereby reducing operation cost. And that's very important. Additionally, compressors that are oil-free require less maintenance, resulting in low maintenance cost, can save you a lot of money. Oil-free compressors produce less noise than their oil-lubricated counterparts, making them more suitable for use in textile manufacturing plants. Noise pollution can be a distraction for workers, leading to poor concentration and reduced productivity. But by utilizing oil-free compressors, textile manufacturers can decrease noise pollution in the workplace, creating a more favorable working environment. In conclusion, oil-free air compressors offer several benefits in the textile industry, including improved product quality, increased machine lifespan, lower operation costs, and reduce noise pollution. As the textile industry continues to expand, it is crucial to embrace modern technology that can provide efficient and sustainable solutions to the challenges facing by the industry. The use of oil-free compressors is an excellent example of innovation that can drive growth in the industry while also promoting a clean and healthy environment. So, for more information, please log into my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you.